It's a frequent frustration. But
the Virginia Beach prosecutor is talking about Virginia's wiretap law. The way it's written now, law enforcers can tap somebody's line only in cases of suspected extortion, bribery, and narcotics felonies to get evidence to be used in court. What the Republican candidate for Attorney General proposes would change that by expanding the law to include murder, gambling, vice rings, and large-scale trafficking in marijuana. Prosecutors would like to see the changes.
it's virtually impossible under most circumstances, certainly any kind of organized gambling case, bookmaking operation, thing of that kind, to convict them without having the ability to wiretap.
Evans would broaden the wiretap law, especially where gambling is concerned, because the crime relies so heavily on using telephone.
That's the way such an industry operates. You call your bookie. You don't meet him in the train station.
Since 1973, when it was first put on the books, Evans has used the state wiretap law only 3 or 4 times. He thinks expanding the rules would be a good way to discourage those involved in illegal gambling.
They would be very leery of proceeding as they now do with the use of the telephone.
Durrett would not change that part of the present law that requires those who apply for wiretaps to seek approval first from the state attorney general's office, then from the appropriate judge. He wouldn't change that part of the law in order to safeguard and protect the constitutional rights of people who could be targets of a wiretap. Howard Jaffe, The Daily News.